my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. Beauty month continues for the month of August, and I do have this beautiful, simple, almost like a smoky eye makeup look for you guys, and I really do hope you guys enjoy this video today. I did pick up a few tips and techniques from the Tall Black Chick. I'm going to leave her video link in the description box for you guys. She really knows how to apply makeup. She can really beat a face. This girl is awesome. Her name is Lillian. Her YouTube link is going to be down below for you. And so if you want to see how I came up with this simple makeup look, keep watching, and I do hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye. So I am going in now with my Morphe F390 foundation. I do have the F3 120, which is fine, but I thought let me try a different shade down. I went down a little bit lighter, and we are going to be using this foundation today for the first time. You would have seen this in last week's video. And of course, I'm going to be using a beauty blender. And let's see how this is going to look. We're just going to go straight into blending. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the sponge, and we're just going to see. Not bad. So let me just blend this out quickly. This is a very good shade for my skin. Very neutral, lovely. So let me finish the whole face. I am so happy I went down the shade because this is just fine for my skin. This is just lovely. And I think the Beauty Blender always does such a good job in blending out the foundation. It gives your skin just enough and take away what your skin doesn't need. So I always like to use a Beauty Blender for that reason. And there we go, the face is finished. So now I am going in with my Too Faced. This is a Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. So we are going to use this today. The shade of this is Butterscotch. So let's just shake this a little. And just a couple of dots under the eyes. And I do have my fancy mat here. This is a brush that I used earlier. And I'm going to wipe this off on the mat to get rid of whatever I had on there. And so we are just going to blend this out. This is one of my favorite concealers. Oh my god, it is just lovely. Look at how nice that looks. I'm now using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. And let me put a, so it has a little groove on the inside, so I can't pour this out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my desk. And I'm just going to tap it out. This is my MAC NW44 powder. There we go. This blush is from IIlamasqua and it is a cream blush. I'm going to leave the name of the shade in the description box for you. So I do have my brush here. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit with that on the cheeks. Just like so. And again, when I'm out and the sun hits my cheeks, you would see just a little hint of highlight. Just lovely. Hope you can see that. And with cream highlight, you don't really need to go in with a lot, especially if you do have oily skin. There we go. Very nice. And I'm looking to see if it shifted my foundation and my highlight, but it didn't. And so we are going to work on the lips now. I'm going in with this lipstick from Nars. I'm going to leave the name of this lipstick in the description box for you. So I'm going to be using this red lip liner. This is from Morphe. You guys would have seen this in last week's video. It came together as a combo and this is called Yes Red. Lovely, beautiful red lip liner. The lipstick and lip liner, perfect combo. This is beautiful. So I'm going in now with my Morphe Mattifying Continuously Setting Mist. If you do have this setting mist, I strongly suggest you shake this up properly first before you spray this on your face, because you're going to be seeing a lot of white spots all over your face. Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look of the makeup. I love the way this one has turned out. Again, I say this in every video. I did a little bit of smokiness with a combination of different palettes today. Really, really, really nice. And I love the way the eyeshadow is looking with the lips. Really, really lovely. And of course, I am wearing Chance again today. She is part of my beauty brand of lashes, Starlashes by Odette. And again, every single video you see from me in this month of August, I am wearing the exact same pair of lashes. I haven't changed it. And again, this tells you the quality of the lashes I'm selling to you guys. All the shopping details is in the description box below for you guys. So here we are with the look completely finished, and I do hope you guys like it. I do hope you guys enjoy. This is what Chance is looking like on the eyes. I'm hoping she's coming across okay for you guys. Really, really lovely. I used the foundation from Morphe F390 for the first time today. This foundation is amazing, it's beautiful, and I'm really happy that I went down a shade because it fits my face just perfect. There is no red undertone, almost between red and neutral, but more on the neutral side. Love this foundation. Great for the fall, great for the summer. Lovely, lovely foundation. Again, for the first time. And I put on this lipstick from Nars for the first time today. The name of this lipstick is going to be in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. Bye.